Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a dividend stock that I recently added to my watchlist. It has a solid dividend yield and is down more than 24% since last year. But before that, I want to clarify that I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice, of course. The stock I'm talking about is none other than Archer-Daniels-Midland Company, ticker symbol ADM. Archer-Daniels-Midland Company engages in the procurement, transportation, storage, processing, and merchandising of agricultural commodities, ingredients, flavors, and solutions in the United States, Switzerland, the Cayman Islands, Brazil, Mexico, Canada, the United Kingdom, and internationally. It operates in three segments: AG services and oilseeds, carbohydrate solutions and nutrition. The company originates, merchandises, stores, and transports agricultural raw materials such as oilseeds and soft seeds. It engages in the agricultural commodity and feed product import, export and distribution, and various structured trade finance activities. Its industry is farm products and its sector is consumer staples. Their current market cap is $22.11 billion. So we are talking about a massive company. Their current P ratio is 12.63, which is good, but it is not something special. It is in line with their competitors. Their forward P ratio, though, is 10.97, which is better. This means that they are expecting their earnings to grow. This is a very good sign, of course. Looking into their financials and into their income statement specifically, it is obvious that the revenue dropped during 2023 and 2024. But this happened after two amazing years, so I don't worry that much. Hopefully, the revenue will start growing again. My favorite thing about this stock is that they recently bought back a lot of shares. As for their basic earnings per share and their diluted earnings per share, I see that they both fell during the past 2 years, and especially in 2024. Their EPS fell more than 43% in 2024. On the other side, I see that their dividend grew substantially during the last 2 years. And when I say substantially, I mean double digits growth. This shows a lot of confidence about the future of this company. Hopefully, this isn't overconfidence though. Looking into their balance sheet, I see that they have a strong cash position. Their current cash and equivalents are $611 million, while their short term investments are $246 million. In total, they have $857 million, not too shabby. As for their debt, they have a serious amount to pay off, over $11.5 billion. With good management, this shouldn't be a problem, but I will keep an eye on it, of course. Their net cash debt is minus $10.68 billion approximately. ADM currently has a dividend yield of 4.43%. Consider this as a high dividend yield because they have a solid dividend growth and a history of consistently growing their dividend. For more than 50 years, they have managed to raise their dividend. This makes them a dividend king. Their current buyback yield is impressive to say the least, 9.04%. The shareholder yield is 13.47%. This is also impressive. We don't see something like this often. They also have a healthy payout ratio, just below 56%, which means that they can easily afford their current dividend while having at the same time a lot of room to keep raising it. For every single ADM share you own, you will get paid $2.04 annually, so 51 cents every single quarter. Analyst consensus for ADM stock is hold, and their 12-month forecast for the share price has a low estimate of $47, an average estimate of $53.57, a median estimate of $49, and a high estimate of $64. So they are expecting the share price to change between 2% growth to 39% growth approximately. Personally, I have a target of $42, but below 40 would be ideal. I like the current valuation, but I can't ignore the risk this stock involves. They have a big debt and their revenue keeps falling. believe that they are trading at a fair valuation right now. My goal is to buy undervalued stocks so I can maximize the potential growth and minimize the risks. I also want to see their debt becoming smaller. As of now, my portfolio has many stocks with big amounts of debt, so I don't want to add another one, at least not at this valuation. Debt could be a useful tool, but it could also be destructive for a company, so I try to be careful. Tell me in the comments below what is your opinion about ADM stock? Do you already own it? And also, let me know how is your investing journey going so far. Subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.